Hi you guys, it is Tuesday morning and I've been up for a bit. I took a shower while the baby was asleep and I also did my makeup. We are heading to studios today. I'm excited. It is very cold outside and I'm wearing shorts. So I'll kind of give you guys, let me see if it'll let me show you my outfit real quick. Like these gingham shorts on, so yeah. But anyways, I'm giving the baby his juice and all that, and we're gonna try to get to studios early because it does take a while to set up the stroller and then get into the park. Yesterday, we barely made it to Magic Kingdom, like right when we could go, because we're not staying in a resort. So we made it into Magic Kingdom, or the ferry boat made it into Magic Kingdom area at 9:02 and they opened at 9. And we literally left this villa at 7:30 something. And that's partially my fault because I have not, Magic Kingdom's had a lot of updates with security and parking. If you saw my video from yesterday, you know that I did some shopping yesterday. I had so much fun. So today I'm just gonna pop into a couple shops and check out some things. We do have a lunch reservation at the Hollywood Brown Derby. I have not been there in forever, so we'll be doing that. I'll do my best at filming today. My hands are pretty full with my toddler, but it's gonna be a fun day, and I'll show you what I have for him laid out. So let's go see. Okay, let me flip the camera around so I can show you guys what I have. And we're just watching Bluey while he eats his little breakfast snack. We're gonna definitely get coffee and everything at studios, but I will kind of show you guys. It is really cold, like I said, so I'm gonna be dressing him warm. So let me flip the camera. Okay, so he is wearing this shirt that I made for him that coordinates with us. And then we have these pants. They're kind of like a washed kind of blue, just with some distress. And this is from Target for anyone curious. And then of course we have to have a Star Wars shirt that I got on clearance. So this is the look. But we're about to finish getting ready and I will see you guys at studios. It's gonna be a long day. I did not sleep well. I mean, I slept like 6 hours or so. But I feel good. I'm happy I at least slept some because I had caffeine later in the day yesterday. Yeah, so I had caffeine later in the day yesterday. So, but I feel great now. All my batteries are charging and we're ready to go. So I will see you guys at studios. Okay, we're back. I just wanted to show you guys my fanny pack with my fit. This thing is huge and it's 40 bucks. So this is gonna help me be hands-free, and I just connected my mic. So I think all of our technological things are working. So I will see you guys at studios. I know I just said that, but I will really see you guys at studios now.
Up there, you found the most glittery hidden Mickey of all. That is our hidden Mickey mirror ball.
But now that I'm broke. Yeah, Daddy was sick, so then you can get sick of me. Daddy was sick. So did you.
1, 2, 3, 5.
I don't like.
Hey you guys, I have not updated in a few hours, but today was fun. We went to studios. My son was able to do a few things, a few experiences. So we started off, we got early entry into the park. They let us in, and so we went and got coffee and we waited in line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, which was super fun. We also went to the DJ dance party. I think it's what's called Disney Junior Dance Party, Dance and Play. My son loved that. He made some new friends there, and we also did some other things that he was able to do, like the Beauty and the Beast show and went to Muppets 3D, so that's fun. And then we just kind of left the park. I did some shopping before, so I'll show you guys what I got. I ended up getting a sweatshirt before Beauty and the Beast because this just was not cutting it this morning. It's very cold. Tomorrow will be even colder. So let me show you guys what I picked up today at Hollywood Studios. So I picked this up for my son in Hollywood Studios on Hollywood Boulevard, and it's Dumbo. And if you pull it back, it goes forward on its own. And then I found this because I was freezing before Beauty and the Beast. I love anything Walt, so I had to pick this up. And then in 2 days, it is Walt Disney Day, and I saw this pin, and I'll be at Epcot that day, but this is so cool. And here's the price on that. I'll put the prices for everything else on the screen. I also have a Little Mermaid collection. I had to pick up this. So I've been wanting these pin packs. I've been looking everywhere the past couple days. So I would love any of them. I don't want any duplicates, but I would love the Haunted Mansion one with Goofy and Donald, Mickey and Minnie and the teacups. So the first one, let's see what it is. Is there like a tear tab on here? No. Oh, okay, that one flew out. Aw, Chippendale. This one is super cute. Hopefully it is focusing, it is. Oh, I love it. I love the bright colors. That is adorable. Try the other side. I struggle with these pin bags, y'all. Okay, I will let y'all have the first look as soon as I get, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's probably like this. It's something like this. Can y'all see? Oh, it's Donald. It looks like he's maybe at Magic Kingdom on Main Street getting a Dole Whip or popcorn, and I see the Dole Whip in the background. This is cute. And here, let's hope for no duplicates. Please, no duplicates. This one does feel like a different shape. So, okay, who did we get? I got one that I wanted. Mickey and Minnie, and Mickey is not having a good time, but I love this pin. That's adorable. Okay, let's hope this is not a duplicate. Okay, I will show you guys first. Oh, it's the space. Oh no, it's Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh my gosh. This one is so cute. This one is so cute. Yeah, this one's adorable. I love that Donald has an eye patch on. I love the attention to detail. So that is my haul from Hollywood Studios. I did not get to too much. We did have an amazing lunch at the Hollywood Brown Derby. So that was fun. I got the Cobb salad and we got a charcuterie board before that. So that was lovely. And like I said, tomorrow's just gonna be a fun day at MK. So I will bring you guys along, but we're about to settle down and try to get an early night because we have an earlier day tomorrow, probably like an hour and a half earlier than normal. So I will see you guys real soon. Bye.